Exercise 1. Seated neutral grip dumbbell shoulder press. This is one of the best compound movements for building your front and middle delts. Sit on a bench with back support, holding a pair of dumbbells at shoulder height with a neutral grip. Keep your core tight and press the dumbbells overhead through a full range of motion without locking your elbows. Lower them back down slowly. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 representatives. Exercise 2. Smith machine behind the neck shoulder press. This variation targets the rear delts along with the overall shoulder muscles. Sit in the center of a Smith machine and grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width behind your neck. Slowly press the bar upward and then bring it back down under control. Since this movement carries a higher risk of injury, maintain strict form and start with light weight. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 10 representatives. Exercise 3. Seated dumbbell lateral raises. Sit on the edge of a bench with your back straight and a pair of light dumbbells at your sides. Raise the dumbbells until your arms are parallel to the ground, then lower them back down under control. Avoid swinging or using momentum. This isolates the side delts effectively. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 representatives. Exercise 4. Barbell front raises. Stand with your back straight, holding a barbell at shoulder width in front of your thighs. Lift the barbell straight up to shoulder level, then slowly lower it back down. This primarily targets the front delts while also improving shoulder stability. Can also be performed with dumbbells. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 representatives. Exercise 5. Machine reverse fly. Adjust the reverse fly machine to your height and sit with your chest supported. Grab the handles, keeping a slight bend in your elbows, and move your arms backward in a fly motion. Hold for a second and squeeze your rear delts before returning slowly. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 representatives. Exercise 6. Dumbbell Upright Row. Hold a pair of dumbbells in front of your thighs. Pull them straight up toward your chest, keeping your elbows higher than your wrists. Hold for a second at the top, then lower slowly. Keep the dumbbells close to your body. This works the shoulders and traps for a wider upper body. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 representatives. Exercise 7. Seated dumbbell shrugs. Sit on a bench with a dumbbell in each hand at your sides. Keeping your arms straight, shrug your shoulders upward as high as possible. Squeeze for a second, then slowly lower back down. This exercise effectively targets the traps. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 representatives.